Hello people, welcome back to another episode of Relating Me and You and Me through YouTube, and here I am with another video, and it is about this glam look right here. But this makeup look is so lightweight. I have a lot of acne breakouts going out through my face and there is a lot of texture going around my face. So I thought I will show you how you can do your natural base without actually using a foundation. That's what this video is going to be about. So without me much blabbering, let's just directly get into the video. Let's begin. So to start with any natural or in fact any makeup base, it's important that you do your skin prep. But other than that, to do it really quickly, what you have to do is make sure you moisturize your face really well. Moisturize your face and then use your nice illuminating base. If you like dewy looks, you can use stroke creams or things like that because they really give that glow to your face and life to your face. Other than that, you have to make sure that you use a good quality primer. Because for natural bases, primer is very important. Primer can actually make or break your look in this case. So I use this pore minimizing primer because I have huge pores and texture. So this pore minimizing one nicely fills into my pores, blurs them out. So primer, moisturizer and all of these things are very important if you're going for natural base, especially because your base has to look good and you're not going to apply foundation. So what will make sure that your base is looking good is skin prep. Coming to the second thing, now obviously we have prepared our skin really well and not going to do foundation routine. So you can either flaunt your acne marks like I do usually. I don't care if my acne marks are peeping through. I do a little bit of coverage where they are not very prominent, but other than that, if you're a person who wants to cover your acne marks really well, I think spot concealing is for you. If you have under eye dark circles, if you have acne marks or any kind of pigmentation, I think color correction and spot concealing is what you need. I don't do color correction because I don't need it as much. So what I do is I do spot concealing. I use this most opaque concealer in the best price possible. I use this Stars Cosmetics one and I take a little bit with my fingers because the warmth of your fingers is really going to melt it into your skin and give you that coverage, because Stars Cosmetic Concealer I think is the best concealer in the market. I pick up a little bit with my finger and then do the dotting on where I have acne mark, and then I blend the edges out. Remember, when you're doing spot concealing, please don't blend the concealer over the acne because then the coverage will go, right? You want to make sure that your coverage is there, but at the same time you blend out the edges so that it doesn't look too prominent, and make sure the concealer is of your skin tone. Only then it will perform in the best way possible. So I do spot conceal. If you see, my face is very round and heavy. So to sculpt it a little bit, I definitely need to do contour. If you don't want to do contour, you can totally skip this step. If you have nice chiseled face, you can go ahead without doing contouring. But for me, contouring is very important. So I do contour. If you see, this is how I do it. I saw this technique done by Nikki Tutorials, and ever since then it has been a game changer for me. At this point you can't see my double chin. For you it is not existing. It is definitely there if you see. Coming to the next step, I am not going to use foundation. You can actually just spritz the setting spray at this point, take a beauty blender and blend everything into one, and you won't need anything else. But I am doing a little extra step and I am going to use this BB cream. This is just to blend everything in one and fill the gaps wherever you can see, wherever you can see the skin, this gap between the contour and the highlight and all of that. I'm going to take the BB cream on the back of my hand. I love this Rimmel London ones. It's very beautiful. And now comes the time for my favorite step, and that is blush. So I am going to take my blush. Again, I'm taking a cream blush so that everything is looking natural. Here, the key to your natural base makeup is also using cream products as much as possible and avoid powder. So I am going to use this cream blush. I love her, Be The Change Multi-Pot. It's a very pigmented, nice blush and it stays on for very long. I pick it on my beauty blender and nicely apply it. I know I just told you that try avoiding powder, but for setting your makeup base on place, powder plays a very important role because we have applied so much cream, and if you stay in humid regions or summery regions like Mumbai, you would definitely need a powder. If you are in drier regions and cold regions, you can totally skip powder, just apply your setting spray and you're good to go. But again, for coastal regions, you have to set your makeup on place with the powder. I am using this verified powder and it's very beautiful, adds to the filter to your skin. It's known as IRL filter. And then obviously you have to go over with a setting spray and set everything on place with a beauty blender. Just blend everything out and everything is going to melt into everything, and it's just this beautiful base that you see right here. So yeah, this is the base routine, and if there is anything else that you want me to make videos on, drop it in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to do it. And go ahead and subscribe to the channel. That doesn't cost you anything, but it would mean a world to me. Until next time, take care. Ta-da!